Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how you can easily add logo showcase to your Squarespace website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you'll do it, you'll get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is a logo showcase. So what you want to do is just click sign up for free. And now when you're going to sign with the Gmail, Facebook or normal mail, it's completely up to you. And when you got it, click login. Right here in applications, you want to write in search logo. And you're going to see it here, logo showcase. So you have multiple options that you can have, like logo slider, call to action, trust index, partners. And I have like logo slider here. So continue with the template. Now you can simply choose and change and upload logos here. And when you got it, you just click save. Right after you do, you need to choose a plan. I recommend going to the light version and test it out. And like if it's working for you, etc. But then if you have 5,000, 50,000, 5 million views, go with basic pro enterprise. Like my dog is jumping here all around. So yeah, and choose light version, and then you just copy the code here. Click plus, write code, and paste the code here. And now, voila, done, save. And here you got it. So this is how you can have a logo showcase. Thank you very much, guys. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.